My name is Sammy and I've been an AVON rep for just over 2 years now, and I'm going to show you some amazing product combinations using your new starter kit. In your starter kits, you'll find a whole range of products that will help you demonstrate loads of great beauty routines. There are 5 key parts when it comes to creating a look that she'll love: face, eyes, brows, lips and nails. What does every woman want? Well, for me, it's a go-to naturally radiant look that I can use time and time again. First up is the Glimmer Stick Brow Definer. Now, brows are still a huge trend in the market, and with this product, it makes it foolproof to achieve the brows she dreams of. I love the twisting feature on all of the Glimmer Stick products. This brow definer is so easy to use. Simply create some definition around the edge and fill in the gaps. We also have the AVON True Colour Matte Eyeshadow Quad. Now this contains all of the colours needed to create a natural smoky eye look, all in a handy compact. This includes an easy 4-step guide so your customers will find it easy to achieve the look that they want. I go in with the shade number 2 and the shade number 3 and I blend them into my crease using a blending brush. I then pack the shade number 4 onto the outer corner of my eye just to give this look a bit of depth. I then go in with the shade number 1 and I pack that across the whole of my eyelid, and that is this look complete, and that is how I create this natural smoky eye look. We also have the MARC Big and Extreme Mascara. In my opinion, this is the best mascara that AVON has ever come out with, which makes me so excited because everyone is always searching for their perfect mascara, and once your customer finds hers, she'll buy it again and again and again. This mascara has an impressive 4.5-star rating on the AVON site, and it's not surprising because it gives you lashes so long that they'll think you're wearing extensions, but without the salon cost. We also have the Glimmer Stick Eyeliner. Now this is a bestseller with 3 being sold every minute, which I just think is incredible. And there's so many shades and finishes to choose from, you can be sure that your customer will be back for more. This is the easiest eyeliner you'll ever use, and you don't need a sharpener. Now, to demonstrate the perfect lip look for your customers, we have the Glimmer Stick Lip Liner, which, just like the other Glimmer Stick products, is so simple and easy to use. And we also have the MARC Epic Lip Lipstick, as seen on TV. These are absolutely insane, and your customers will love the fact that she's getting a primer infused lipstick for a fraction of the price that she can get it on the high street. Demonstrating this lip look is a great way to sell a range of products rather than just a single item to increase your earnings, so don't forget to upsell by reminding your customer to buy the lip liner along with the lipstick. Now, to demonstrate a natural radiant glow, we have the MARC Glow On Face Illuminator. Now, highlighting continues to be a huge makeup trend, so you can be confident that your customer will absolutely love this. This adds a gorgeous highlight to the cheekbones, nose and the cupid's bow, and can also be used as a primer. Why not try this look yourself when you next meet your customers and let them know how affordable this look is compared to other brands. Explain that she can afford luxury, high quality products without breaking the bank. Now, for a finishing touch to this look, add a coat of the MARC Gel Shine Nail Enamel to your nails for nails that will look as good as a salon manicure. And with 7 of these selling every single minute, it's already a hit with your customers. So next time you're giving yourself a manicure, why not try creating your very own video, tutorial, or even find a background and take some gorgeous photos for social media. Using your starter kit in this way is perfect for helping grow your business. Now, don't forget to tell your customers about all of these different product features, and also tell them what your favourite products are too. And don't forget that telling a customer what product is great for a specific skin type is also extremely useful. So why not try it for yourself? Start sharing on social media and start talking to your customers in a new way that excites them about these products and encourages them to be beauty enthusiasts just like you. Starter kits, you're going to find a whole range of amazing products that are going to help you demonstrate plenty of great skincare regimes. Glowing skin is the dream, right? And at AVON, they have a huge range of products to help with all kinds of skin problems and skin types. Plus, once you've got her hooked and loving a product, you just know that she's going to become an AVON regular. To inspire your customer, try selling the routine as a full experience, from the cleansing right through to the moisturising. The perfect skincare regime will always begin with a cleanse. I am absolutely obsessed with the NutriEffects Micellar Cleansing Water. Micellar technology is so on trend in skincare at the moment, so I would highly recommend offering this to your customer before she buys from a competitor on the high street. Micellar water is amazing at cleansing your skin, and it also removes all traces of makeup and is perfect for all skin types. You can also offer your customers demos on how to apply the product, and this would also work with any cleansing product. So after my skin is all cleansed, I like to go in with the AVON Clinical Advanced Resurfacing Pill. Now this pill contains 10% glycolic acid and can offer your customer a superior result to a professional pill, which can cost on average around £190. To use this pill, simply take a pad and sweep across your face 2 to 3 times a week to reveal brighter, smoother looking skin. I love demoing this at AVON parties so customers can see and feel the difference that this makes. Now after all the cleansing is done and your skin is all fresh and cleansed, I like to pick a treatment serum for my face. And in your starter kit you're going to be getting a choice of 2. Now I like to change it up and use both of these serums, and you can also alternate from AM to PM and each day as you go. Your starter kit contains the best-selling Liner Raisin Serum, which contains 0.1% retinol, which is a key anti-aging ingredient. I'm going to be using the Even Texture and Tone Serum, which targets skin discoloration including redness, but this serum doesn't just target one problem area, it targets 7, and you can share samples of fast-working products like this with your customers. After the serum has all sunk in, I like to go in with the AVON Clinical Eye Lift System. This is by far my favourite ever eye cream, and it's also some of my customers' ride or die eye creams. There is no question that it is AVON's best-selling eye cream, and I can definitely see why. You can definitely sell this with confidence, knowing that your customer will love it and she will not be able to live without it. The AVON Eye Lift System has an impressive 4.5-star rating. It gives you an instant visible eye lift and a brighter under eye area. Simply take the gel side and apply it to above your brow bone, and then take the cream side and apply it to your under eye area. Now to finish off this regime, we're going to go in with a moisturiser. Now you can offer your customer any of the moisturisers that AVON sells, from AMU to NutriEffects, it can be any of them. But I personally love selling the AMU products just because they're tailor-made for specific age groups. So you're really giving your customer that tailor-made for her skin product that she's going to love time and time again. My favourite is the AVON Perfect Skin Wake Up Cream. Now don't forget to upserve. For customers buying a day cream, try suggesting the complimentary night cream to go with it. And that is how I would use the starter kit to create a glowing skin regime. Showing your customers how these products work and demonstrating full routines like this skincare regime is really going to help build your business. So why not try it for yourself? So start sharing on social media and start talking to your customers in a new way that excites them about these products and also encourages them to be skin enthusiasts just like you.